Hey, what is up guys? My name is Sanket. You are watching Sanket's Brush, and in today's video I am going to discuss about very crucial topic, which is uh, go in Godot 4.2 APK or Gradle build is not going to export, or it is not getting exported. As you can see, uh, if I try to export the Android project here, which is uh, and you can see if the excuse me, where it is. Okay, and you can see use the Gradle build is on, which is I cannot export AAB without turning on Gradle. If I do that, as you can see here in this uh, down left corner, export AAB is only valid when use the Gradle build is enabled, which is this. And if I export AAB, then see what happens. You can see uh, some kind of error is showing, which is actually quite easy to tackle if you did everything right. I mean, if you have gone step by step uh, from this Godot document guide. As you can see, uh, this is export for Android, and this is how you can export to Android. And one more thing, Gradle built for Android. If you have gone through these things, I mean purely without making a single mistake, then why are you still getting this error? That's the main problem. So let me show you how to tackle this problem, which is very simple, very easy. As you can see here, Godot is recommending us to do something, which is uh, oh yeah, sorry, not don't see this one, see this invalid maximum heap size, which is this. I don't know what is heap size, but uh, after after my research, I mean I researched on Google why is this happening, then the answer is the main problem is not in the Gradle or Android Studio or anything like that. The main problem is in your own project. So you just have to open the project and open Gradle properties file. Let me show you how I did that thing. Actually, just press on your right click on your main file, then or repository file, and open in file manager, and here search for gradle.properties, gradle.properties, and here you can see gradle.properties file is here, and open the file. And one thing you are going to see here is org.gradle.jvmanagers, oh sorry, jv mergers, merge, okay, that's weird name. So here you can see this xmx by whatever this is, just change this from 4536 to 1024 and save the file, and now try to export. And export for Gradle, as you can see here, and save. Actually, if you have tick on this export with debug, untick this one, untick this thing, and save. And you can see we have successfully exported the whole project. So let me show you what is this project. This is just a basically simple rendering test, as you can see. And yes, that's it. I mean, it's sometimes the problem is under our nose, but we can't see that. That's why actually I spent uh, almost 2 days figuring out this problem, and now I know the solution for it. That's why I tried. That's why I am making this video, just to save your time, so you don't make the same mistake as I made. So yes, basically that's it. And one more thing, which is I want to suggest you that don't use Android Studio for export. Instead, use this. Wait a second. In export for Android, the Godot will recommend you to use Android Studio for the components which you need for Gradle export. But these things are not showing on in Android Studio. I mean, the specific versions are not showing on in Android Studio. That's why I recommend you the alternative version, which is alternative uh, thing, which is command line tools. You can directly install these command line tools in your uh, computer or laptop. There is a tutorials for that, as you can see here. I followed this tutorial. I watched this tutorial. Android SDK Manager, download command line Windows 7, 8 and 10. And in this video, uh, the user of these tools are, you have to actually change some things here. Let me just show you what things you have to change. So let me see. Actually, you are going to watch this tutorial if you haven't downloaded Android Studio. So let me show you. So here, after this SDK manager, uh, the user, I mean, the user is writing his own things here, but you don't have to, you don't write these things. Instead, uh, as you can see on, uh, I'm stopping this video on 2 minutes 52 seconds this video, and you can see SDK manager, and he is writing some things which is actually the uh, versions of tools. So instead of copying this directly, the platform tools, write SDK manager and then platform tools. After that, you are going to copy this here, the platform tools, build tools 32 and blah blah blah. Let me just copy this and show you. Oh, here it is. So you are just going to write this thing. Okay, I will mention this command in the uh, in my what we call that, description. You can copy this command from there, and yes, that's how you download uh, command line tools. After that, you can follow the whole process. The first thing uh, developers do is they don't actually, the first thing Godot developers do is they underestimate the documents, and they go directly to videos. Please don't do that. please read the full documentation first and then go to the video tutorial. So that's it for now. And yes, goodbye. Keep making games. Wait a second. Yes. If you like this video, share the video to those who are having this problem, and like, share, subscribe. Yeah, that's it actually.